Hello everyone, we're looking at the guided practice here on page 201. Try to do this and then watch this video. Suppose the rate of plan Y was 44 a month and 2 cents per tax. Which plan would offer Benito the better rate? Justify your answer. So if you look at plan X, we know is 5 cents a text and then $39.95 initially for the month. Plan Y, the cost, the going rate is 2 cents a text, so 0.02 times T. That represents how much you're going to pay for tax. Plus $44 just to have it. Okay, so if you don't text very much, say you text like maybe 5 times a month, this is going to be very cheap, Plan X compared to Plan Y, because you're going to save $4 almost because you're not going to pay as much on text. If you text a lot, though, Plan Y might be the better rate because it's only 2 cents a text. Okay, so costs. So make a grid like this. Text on the bottom, costs over here. Increment up by 10 each time for each hash, and then I just went up by 2 each time on the y-axis. This little line here represents that you're skipping upwards or you're not proportional. Notice that we're zeros right here and you're jumping right to 34. That's what this lightning bolt means. Okay, so we're going to graph these. Notice, for Plan X, your intercept is $39.95. So you're pretty much right here at 40. Now your slope, how are we going to plot our slope on here? What we could do is pick an X value. Say we're going to go with 100 and plug in 100 in here. So that way we can graph it. So 0.05, your number of texts is going to be 100. So your cost is going to be 0.05 times 100 plus $39.95. You get $5 plus this, that's $44.95. So I picked a X value at 100, and now I gotta go up to $44.95. Just right about here. Okay. Use your straight edge. And then for your other one, your intercept's 44. Okay, so then pick an X value. I'm just going to use 100 because it's easy to work with. So C equals 0.02 T. Well, T is 100. That's 100 there, plus 44. So you get $2 because 2% of 100 is 2, so you get 2 plus 44 is 46. So that's going to be slightly more at 100 texts. Your initial cost is right here. So if you look on here, if you go, we're going to say about 110, if you have more than 100 texts, Plan Y is going to be the better one. Let's just graph this on Desmos. We're going to change Plan Y to 0.2x plus 44. And now we can compare. If you look, if you're sending more than 135 texts, Plan Y is better. So if more than 135 texts, Plan Y is better.